Defining your content strategy. There are 3 strategies for YouTube promotion nowadays. 1. The blogger's approach. This is the most popular strategy. You're the main character in your videos. The channel is built to show a certain side of your life. Advantages. You don't have to follow your line of business. Shoot videos about your interests, hobbies, lifestyle. If it is an engaging, high-quality content, you will be able to gain your audience's trust, successfully create and promote your personal brand, and become popular. Key indicators here are the number of your followers and views. The higher they are, the more successful you are. In this case, 80% of your success is your video content and 20% your promotional efforts. Another advantage is non-monetary bonuses, beneficial collaborations, the attention of the public, the interest from the mass media. The main disadvantage of this approach is that it requires a constant time investment. Blogger's approach is an investment strategy. First, you are investing your time into the channel creation and promotion, and later, you can start thinking of the revenues. 2. The businessman's approach. The channel is created to promote products and services. The key indicator is reactions to your video, calls, messages, emails. Your videos must answer the questions of your target audience, offer interesting reviews, instructions, life hacks, etc. The main method of monetization is your loyal customers. The wider your business geography is, the bigger will be your audience. 50% of your success depends on your video content and the other 50% on your promotional efforts. Advantages. There are not as many bloggers following this path so far, so you'll probably have fewer competitors. And besides, you're getting an eternal and free source of customers. Disadvantages. First, progress will take time and you'll need some capital investments. 3. The ninja approach. Launch one selling video. The message should be transmitted by yourself or by hired actors. A video view is generated by contextual advertisement, and your video is your website. The key indicator is a return on your investment. The latter depends on your monetization strategy. It is better to use the 2-step sale approach instead of selling up front. First, offer something for free in exchange for the customer's contact information. In this case, only 10% of your success depends on the content and 90% on your promotional efforts. Advantages. Quick results, no need for regular posting. The main disadvantage is one-time sales. Your further steps for developing your content strategy will depend on the approach you choose. A content strategy is an important multiple-step process. Like in any other matter, it is important to start with your goals before launching your channel. Establish a KPI for yourself, key performance indicator. Decide how many subscribers and within which time frame you want to attract. How many views your videos will have within a week, a month, 6 months. Next step is to think again of your target audience. In general, you should always keep your viewers in mind. Analyze their characteristics, strive for their feedback. You're working for them, and your channel monetization depends on them. Based on the understanding of your target audience's interests, you'll be able to choose correct subjects for your videos. In the previous lesson, you got a general idea of subjects within your niche. Now you need to organize and systemize your ideas. Now that you're just launching your channel, try to cover a wide variety of topics to get as much information as possible about your audience's response. Even if you have only 10 videos with the help of YouTube analytical tools, you can already determine which topic was more interesting for your viewers. You can build your further content strategy based on these insights, making your targeting every time more and more precise. Here's a simple example. You're a traveler and you filmed a bunch of videos about different types of travel: camping, rafting, hunting, climbing, and a beach vacation. The hunting video turned out to be the most popular one. It means that you should try to develop this subject. Film several videos about getting ready for a hunting trip, planning your overnight stay, provisions, etc.